Philippines do you live? I live in Manila. I'm here in Manila now. Hi, Samir. How are you, Samira? You like my shirt? You can have it. Sige, I have to go. Gandang araw, host. Ingat ka. Sige po, thank you so much. Magbisita, Amping. Sometimes ikot-ikot. Sana all. Okay, wait. Kaya punta ako sa bahay mo. Why are you laughing at me? Ay, wala ka palang channel. Ay, meron kang channel. Wala ka namang video. By the way, thank you for coming sa live ka. Bye! Sudbot, hello. Hi, my love. Hi. How are you, darling? Hey, how are you doing? I'm good. Can you stand up for a bit? My gosh, I'm done standing position. I like your fresh face. Fresh fish. Fresh fish. I will bring you to the interior of Brazil to be my wife. How was your day today? My day, it was good. It's raining here. It's rainy afternoon. Entertainment ka dyan. Anong big hair? What do you mean big hair? Nako. Ito nga, pinatong ko na sa damitan ko sis para medyo malapit doon sa pinto. Kasi pag dito ko talaga ilagay ay wala. Samantalahin natin live. Hala, walang tao dyan eh. Bahala kunti. Nakakanabot tamad talaga pag ganyan. Oo po. Buti sana kung nakakunik ka sa wifi dyan. Nemo Vlogs, hi, good afternoon. I like it when you give the camera that look. What? Matulog ka muna sis, sana all. Matulog ka muna, may pumuyat ba sa'yo kagabi?